If you are unhappy with your mattress, this mattress topper will change that for you. I was sent this mattress topper to try out and I'm very impressed with the quality. The fabric on it is very soft and cozy, so of course you would put a fitted sheet over it, but it is soft enough that it is nice to the touch just as is. It has elastic straps on each corner to help you secure it to your mattress so that it won't shift around. And as you can see, after we unboxed it, it did have this hump in the middle, which is normal for the way that it is folded for shipping. But after a few days, that hump naturally went away. This was a few days later, and as you can see, it is flattening out. Our mattress tends to be on the firmer side, and this mattress topper just takes that harsh firmness off. It just makes it that little bit softer without being too plushy and soft either. It really is a good middle ground between those two. If you are unhappy with the way your mattress feels now, this mattress topper will totally change the way your mattress feels and help you get a better night's sleep.